Hello friends and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kallie Branciforte and today we are talking about the kitchen section from the Dollar Tree. Specifically, what I'm going to be doing is highlighting the kitchen stuff that I always buy at the Dollar Tree. These are my Dollar Tree kitchen must-haves. These are the things that I always get, that are gonna save you money, that are well worth your dollar. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I had 3 big bags here of kitchen stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not gonna go into any particular order. Maybe I will edit in order. I don't know. Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with storage stuff. Now, personally, I don't buy a lot of the Tupperwares from the Dollar Tree just because I tend to stick to glass Tupperware because I find that they just last way longer and they hold up way better. But I do really like these super large ones because I feel like it's hard to find Tupperwares in this really big size, and it can be really great for going to a potluck. You're making like a big pasta salad or a big whatever that you want to bring somewhere. You don't want to worry about your Tupperware. The other thing that's really nice about this one is the top is really nice and secure. Some of the plastic Tupperwares I've tried from the Dollar Tree in the past, the tops don't stick on very well. It's not that I think the other Tupperwares are all bad from the Dollar Tree. I haven't used a ton that I like. It's just that specifically this is the one that I always buy. And I don't always get the other sizes. There's a little bonus. Apparently this works great as a toddler toy too. You want to see yourself? Is that you? See, it's me, Miles. Why are you so cute? I always underestimate how hot the lights are here that I use to film, so I'm just gonna take a layer off. It's fine. It's not weird. All right, let's continue. Okay, these are little sets of glass, like mini glass dishes, and you get 4 of them for $1, so 25 cents each. And these are seriously the perfect size dishes for so many things that you didn't know you needed it for. We use it for sauces, we use it for dips. If I make a charcuterie plate, I will use it for like olives or for honey or for, you know, nuts to add to it. It's perfect for mixing up sauces if you're making a sauce at home. Just trust me, they're like the perfect little size bowls, and once you have them in your collection, you'll find so many uses for them. 4 for $1. You can't beat it. Okay, next up is the power clips. I have bought power clips for like $4 at my grocery store, and they are not power clips. They are like puny, they don't have good hold, they can't even hold your chip bag or your cereal bag closed, and it's so annoying. The ones from the Dollar Tree are amazing. They're like super strong, they will hold your bags closed. In this set you get 2 for $1. They're seriously the best bag chip holders. What are these called? Multi-purpose clips. They're nice and strong. These are the really big ones. You can get smaller ones. They also have like cute little animal ones. These are the dog ones. I have a set of the cat ones that I've had for years, and they're literally like my favorite bag clips. Oh my God, bag clips, multi-purpose clips. They're seriously some of my favorite clips because they're so strong and they're reliable, and I know that they're gonna work, and they're not like flimsy and they don't fall apart. So I use these things for everything. Highly, highly recommend. Well worth $1 for either 3 or 4 of them. Okay, let's talk about plastic wrap. I actually do like buying plastic wrap at the Dollar Tree because I actually have price compared it to my local grocery store, and the price per square foot is cheaper for this guy at the Dollar Tree. Even though this guy's a little bit smaller, it's still cheaper per square foot than if I buy the bigger roll at my grocery store. So I do like to buy my cling wrap at the Dollar Tree. That being said, let's talk about tinfoil. I have not found that tinfoil is a better deal at the Dollar Tree for the rolls. If I buy the really big mega roll at my grocery store, I can get a better price. However, these foil sheets, if you like these little like pop-up ones where you kind of like the top comes off and it's just pre-cut sizes of tinfoil, it's great for like sandwiches and leftovers and all of that sort of stuff. These guys are cheaper than my grocery store and Walmart. You're gonna buy a smaller package of them, so it's like 25 sheets, but you're still paying less per sheet than you are elsewhere, so. Okay, next up, I don't know if this is actually a kitchen thing. I use it in my kitchen, but I use it elsewhere in my house, but that is the microfiber cloths. I love using microfiber cloths like all around the house for cleaning counters, cleaning glass, cleaning the bathroom, wiping down the sink, whatever. And I think that these ones are great for $1. You can also buy smaller ones, like it's a set of 2 and it's like smaller, you know what I mean? It's like half, 2, whatever, you get what I'm trying to say. I find that these are just as good as other microfiber cleaning towels that you might buy elsewhere for a little bit more, so save your money, get these guys at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this next one's kind of random, but I love getting paper straws at the Dollar Tree because they always have the cutest seasonal paper straws. And I don't know when it was, at some point in my life I started deciding that I needed to use like cute seasonal straws for all of my drinks. But now my husband like literally gets upset if we don't have cute seasonal straws. He's like, we just have stupid plastic ones? That's sad. And it's true, every drink is more fun when you have cute seasonal straws. So obviously I went right now, it's around 4th of July, they have these ones, but when you come around for fall, when it comes around for Christmas, they always have really cute seasonal options. Okay, next thing that is an amazing steal at the Dollar Tree is these 8 packs of Brillo pads. I have done some price comparing for these guys. Even like generic brand ones, you usually pay about $2.50 for 10 of them. Here you get 8 for $1. These are obviously great for tackling all sorts of cleaning things in your house. I use them when I just have certain pots and pans that I cannot get clean, and I've just found the Dollar Tree is the best price that you can get on them. So next time you see these 8 count of Brillo pad at your Dollar Tree, definitely make sure. I was gonna say stock them up, but that's not what I mean. Snag them up. Scoop them up. Stock them up, snag them up, scoop them up, whatever you gotta do. Okay, this is not a kitchen thing, but I got this when I was at the Dollar Tree because I thought maybe I could be cute and fashionable and wear it, so let's see. I like really want to be one of those people that can wear cute headbands, you know? But I've never really been able to do it. But this one seems like it'll be fine. Let's see. Like, I just want to be able to like put up a ponytail and wear a cute headband and just like be cool about it, you know? How's it look? It's actually pretty good. But if you see these scrunchy head wraps at your Dollar Tree, it's worth $1. Okay, another thing that I find to be pretty good is a lot of the like Betty Crocker, there's specifically the red cooking utensils. I've had this spatula from the Dollar Tree for like 100 years, which might be an exaggeration, but I've had it at least since, I'm trying to remember the house that we bought it in. I definitely had it in the first house that we rented, which was in 2005, which was 15 years ago. Because, oh my God, I've had this spatula for 15 years. Look, I'm still using it to make eggs like every weekend. So, I mean, this guy works. And then also, I just discovered these. They had like these mini set. There's a spatula and then there's these little tongs. I actually bought them because I was gonna give them to my son to use like as a play kitchen thing. And I shared them on Instagram stories and a bunch of you guys were like, I use those for me and they're amazing. And yeah, I've totally stolen them from my son because I don't know, sometimes you just need many tongs, but these are seriously really, really great. Super nice quality for the price. So definitely recommend these. Okay, this next thing I want to call out is not necessarily a kitchen item, but you get it in the kitchen section, and it is these self and drawer liners. It's basically just patterned contact paper. I like using these for arts and crafts, but again, I'm calling it out because it's in the kitchen section. I'm gonna link a couple Dollar Tree DIY videos I've done down below where I've used this, but you can use this to cover up storage bins. You can obviously use it to line your shelves. I actually have a hack where I use this to line the refrigerator shelves in my refrigerator, and it works so great because then once they get dingy and gross, you just pull them up and you put a new liner down. So don't pass these up because you can use them for a lot of sneaky smart stuff. Last kitchen item I have to give a shout out to because I've talked about it a million times is just like all of their dinnerware. Their plates, their bowls, their mugs. I've had these bowls for as long as I've had the spatula. For a long time. From the Dollar Tree back forever ago. They last obviously very well because I still have them and I still use them. And what I love about them is they come in a lot of variety, so you can just really basic white, which is probably why I still have this because it's just so basic. But you can also buy really cute seasonal ones too, so if you like to switch out or if you're gonna be entertaining, you can buy a set of dinnerware for not very expensive, and it's nice quality dinnerware that's going to last you. And a little trick is don't forget that you can buy a lot of the dinnerware on DollarTree.com because sometimes in the stores will be picked over. You do have to buy in bulk quantities when you buy on DollarTree.com, but if you're buying dinnerware, you're probably gonna be buying like a larger amount. And I just recently shared a video with like the best stuff to buy on DollarTree.com, and so I did a bunch of research and I know the dinnerware you can buy in like not huge quantities. I think you can buy it in sets of like 6 to 10, which is not that bad. If you're gonna buy a set of plates, you probably want 6 or 10 of them. All right, my friends, that does it with some of my Dollar Tree kitchen must-haves, the items that I think are very, very much worth it from the Dollar Tree. Some stuff I've been using for 15 years apparently. If it works, it works. And if you don't have to spend more than $1 on it, why do it? There's obviously other kitchen stuff and like cleaning related stuff that I use from the Dollar Tree, but these are just like my kind of ride or dies, the things that I always get, I always use. And I tried to stick to things that you can find at pretty much every Dollar Tree because not all Dollar Trees are created equal. My local Dollar Trees are like And then I have like a really good Dollar Tree that's about a half an hour to 40 minutes from me that I go to once in a while when I want to get like the really good stuff. So I did also try to stick to the stuff that you should be able to find in pretty much every Dollar Tree. You don't have to go to like one of the really great big ones. If you want to see some of my other Dollar Tree favorites, I will link some videos down below where I've broken that down. I've done all sorts of categories. I tested out Dollar Tree baby stuff. I've done electronics. I've done Christmas stuff. So I'll link some of those videos down below if you want to check those out as well. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Showing off to you how fast he can run, clearly.